Snovio tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at Snovio or Snov.io, whatever you want to call it, and we'll be determining if it is good or not. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first things first I want to tell you guys is that Snovio is a lead generation or a management software that is used to create business ledgers, business leads, and CRMs that deliver results. So keep that in mind. So now that we know a little bit about this website and what type of website it is, let's go ahead and sign up. So to sign up, all you got to do is click on the Get Started Now button over here at the left side, or click on the sign up button over here at the top. So simply click on the sign up button, and over here you can either enter in with Google, or you can enter in with your name, email address, phone number, and character and password. So I think signing up with Google is much more easier because it saves you quite a lot of time, and you can just simply sign up onto a website with a single push of a button. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on sign in with Google, and this is how it basically looks like. So over here, this is your dashboard, and over here you have a couple of different extensions that you can install. So let's go ahead and do that. So we can install this extension right here, the email finder, and install the Li prospect finder. So let's go ahead and install the email finder over here. Simply click on add to Chrome, add extension. Maybe it'll be helpful later on in the tutorial. Let's see. And once that is done, I think we have to enable it. So let's go ahead and pin it over here so we can see that it's active. And once that is done, let's go ahead and move on with the video. So over here we have a couple of different options, and over here on the left side we have our prospects, we have our companies, and then down below we have leads over here. So we have find leads, we have single email search, bulk email search, domain search, bulk domain search, social URL search, linker, company profile, technology checker, and many more. And then we have verify emails, basically individual email verification or bulk email verification. And then we have email drips, all campaigns, new campaigns, templates, schedules, and many more. And then you have extensions. Basically you have email finder, email verifier, Gmail email tracker, and many more. And then down below you have integrations, you have Zapier, Pipedriver, Calendly, and all integrations as well. So first things first, let me just show you how you can basically use email drip campaign. So let's go over here and click on this option right here. Wait a couple of seconds for it to load up. Now once it's loaded up, we can create a drip campaign by steps, or we can choose a template, or we can schedule it, or we can watch a YouTube video for the guide. But you don't need that because I'm gonna be showing you how to do it. So let's go ahead and choose a template actually. So over here we have product pitch, we have cold outreach, blogger, follow-ups. What we basically need to do is we need cold emailing, right? So let's just choose the cold emailing over here. Let me just choose it by name. Can we sort them by name? No, I guess not. Okay, so let's go ahead and choose the cold email option. So we have a couple of different options right here. So we have cliffhanger endings, immediate value, to the point, personalized, LinkedIn recent connections, keynote speaker pitch, and sharing an expert story. I think that to the point is going to be much better, and a cliffhanger one, because then people are interested. They're going to be like, oh no, what happened next? I gotta find out, and they'll be forced to sign up and follow up with their email addresses. And to the point could also be good, because that will they think that, okay, this person is straight to the point. It doesn't talk here and there. It doesn't tell you the dreams. Basically, there's a trust factor going on over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on to the point, and over here this is how it will look like. So we can go ahead and choose this. I think, let me just go ahead, and I think we gotta copy it somehow. Okay, now we can go ahead and create an email template as well. Choose the email template or folder, or create one. Can we paste it over here? And before we create a template, over here on the left side we have Snovio templates. So we have sales, marketing, follow-up, fundraiser, recruiting, and stuff like that. Let's click on sales, and over here we have pitch meetings and stuff like that. This is basically the filter so that we can see, right? And then we have Snovio campaign templates as well. So template number 1, template number 4, and many more. So actually let's just go ahead and create one ourselves as well. So let's go ahead and click on create dip campaign by steps. So over here we have 2 steps. So we have sequence, prospects, sending options, and reviews. So first one, we have this element right here. So move the element to the field and connect them to create an email fluid. So first, let's just add an email, right? over here, and then we connect it to this one over here, and we'll call it the product over here, right? Let's just assume that that's the product and this is the email. Now we can add variants as well, but for that we need to have a plan. And then we can add the trigger, right? We should always add some triggers. Connect that trigger to email. So what that basically means is that if they contact opened the email, or contact clicked on the link from the email, or prospect booked a meeting via Calendly. So we'll just choose contact linked clicked. So contact clicked on a link in the email, so basically just attach an email into the link. That way whenever someone clicks on that link, the trigger will happen and we can move on with the goal. So once that's done, let's just go ahead and choose the waiting time for the trigger, and once that's done, just leave it like that. And now we can go ahead and enter in our goal, right? Just simply connect yes to the goal, and the goal will be like anything, like booking a meeting or sending an ebook or e-product or whatever. So we'll just go ahead and booked an interview, and we'll just leave it like that. And if they don't click on the link, then we'll add a delay trigger, right, of let's say 3-4 days, and then we'll repeat the process again, and then we'll send them the email, which will then take them to the goal as well. So it's pretty simple. That's how you basically do it. And once you've done that, just simply click on next. And over here you have to use a template, and just simply choose the template that you want. Let's go with marketing service over here. Yeah, I think that looks good. Simply click on save. Once that is done, just simply click on next. Add an email body. Okay, so we have to add an email over here. So let me just go ahead and add the email as well. Marketing service, save. And once that is done, simply click on next, and that is done. Now we are on to the prospects, and over here we have to list the name. We have to choose the prospect clicks or create one. And then over here, if the prospect has multiple email addresses to send, we can select all the addresses, and then we can send to unverified and verified, whatever one you want. And if a prospect has missing variables, send it to the to checklist, and then stuff like that. So yeah, everything looks good. We can click on next. So next is the sending option, and we can choose the sender account. So it can be anything. So we can choose Gmail, we can choose Outlook, we can choose Exchange or SMTP. So we'll just choose Google, right? Sign in our account, allow it, and yeah, that is basically it. Over here we'll basically add our email and stuff like that. And once that is done, just simply click on save settings, skip and save for now. I don't want to go into a lot of details and confuse you guys. So once that is done, Gmail over here, choose your Gmail account, and then you can schedule your campaign. You can create a schedule as well. So let's go ahead and create one every single day till Friday, and from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. Let me just go ahead and enter in anything and choose the general time, GMT. So we'll just choose this one. Okay, let's go ahead and click on save, click on apply. Once that's done, just simply click on next. And now we can review the campaign, and once everything looks good, just simply click on start. And that is basically it, guys. That is how you create new campaigns and send email drippings and stuff like that. Now if you wanted to use it for something else, like finding emails and stuff like that, all you got to do is come over here, and over here just simply enter in the first name and the last name and the company domain name. Now let me just go ahead and go over to LinkedIn real quick. Let me just show you. So if I come over here onto LinkedIn, right, I don't have an email. Let me just go ahead and find a person I know. So if I come over here, all I gotta do is, this extension does not work on linkedin.com, which is very weird, but I think it works on it. I just gotta sign in. Let me just sign in and we'll see. So if you wanted to find out about different emails, this extension can help you. All you gotta do is just simply install it, and as you can see, all these different emails have popped up, and then you can save all of these emails into a new prospect list as well. So just simply install it, and then just simply click on save selected, and then go to list, and then you will see all of the prospects over here, and then you can verify them and you can launch the campaign as well. So that's how you basically use Synovio to create different campaigns and to find different emails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.